boiling crab. Sorry for the other audios, because this is public. I can send you the but today I am at Boiling Crab. As you can see, that's my mom. Just looking. Yeah. Ooh. Actually, swimming in water doesn't seem so good. But yeah, that's today's video for now. Yeah, I'm at Boiling Crab with my family. I'm gonna eat some. On my YouTube video, I might post some pictures on the video so you can see them. That's it for today. Bye. Oh wait, hat.